Welcome to day 14 of Math 111. Today we're going to be basing our lesson on an article that was found in an October issue of Teaching Children Mathematics from 1998. Please read this article before you continue with this lesson. Otherwise, the material we discuss will have no context and it will not mean anything to you. So please pause the video and go to Canvas and read this article before returning to the video. I hope you enjoyed reading the article from Teaching Children Mathematics. As you read it, you noticed that the teacher was recounting how she went through this material with her students in her class. This article contains some interesting concepts. We want to look at some of the examples from the article a little deeper. We're going to be working with some of these ideas in upcoming lessons in our course. You will recognize this figure from the article. This figure appeared on page 79 in the article. In the problem in the article, the teacher says that this alien reported seeing 23 Earthlings. You'll recall that you could only count 13. So how does this alien get 23? This alien counts on her fingers. Notice how many fingers the alien has. She counts two groups of 5, and then there are 3 left over. So that's 23. Let's think about how Earthlings operate. Children count on their fingers when they're young. So what does 23 mean to an Earth person? It means that we've got 2 groups of 10 and 3 left over. How does this relate to the alien and the way she counted? She has 5 fingers. The 2 in the expression 2, 3 represents how many groups of 5 there are, and then the 3 represents how many are left over. This same concept will be used over and over throughout this material. Let's think about this same alien. If an Earth person sees 22 objects, what number would the alien write down? To answer this, determine how many 5s are contained in 22, and then how many will be left over. How many 5s are there in 22? Did you get 42? There are 4 5s in 22 and 2 left over. So the alien would write down 42 because there are 4 5s and 2 left over. Here's another figure from the article. This is figure 4 from page 80. Examine this alien and the number of fingers that he has. If we count 13 people, what number would this alien write down and why? The alien has 8 fingers, so he would think in terms of groups of 8. How many 8s are in 13? There's one 8 with 5 left over. 13 is 8 plus 5. So the alien would write down 15, or 1, 5. This represents one group of 8 and 5 left over. Are you getting this concept? Let's look at this from a different perspective. This is figure 5 from page 81 in the article. You'll notice the picture involving a number of men there. How many fingers would an alien have who reported seeing 30 people? Right, so think about what the 3 represents and what the 0 represents here. 0 represents the fact that there are none left over. And so you have 3 equal-sized groups. We should think of dividing the people into 3 equal groups. Right here, I've drawn a ring around groups here of equal size. Each group has 5 people. So the alien has 5 fingers. This would be 3 groups of 5 and none left over. Let's take the same diagram. How many fingers would an alien have who reported seeing 16 people? Think about the meaning of the 1 and the 6. What does the 6 mean? It means there's 6 left over. And the 1 means there's 1 full group. So 1 group and 6 left over. Let's take away 6 from the group. I've circled 6 people here. That would represent what's left over. And then the others would be a group of 9. So the alien would have 9 fingers. How many fingers would an alien have who reported seeing 33 people? Okay, work on this on your own for a moment. Pause the video and then restart the video to see the explanation and the answer. Hopefully you've obtained an answer. Think about what each digit represents. The alien is seeing 3 groups and 3 people left over. So I've drawn a red circle, not really a circle, but I've enclosed 3 people here in red, and these would be the ones I'm considering left over. And then all the others I'm dividing into 3 equal-sized groups. Put a parallelogram around each of them. So I've got 3 groups of 4 people and 3 left over. So the alien has 4 fingers because there are 4 people in each of the smaller groups. This is figure 6 from page 82. This figure has 3 types of problems that we see from this type of thinking about mathematics. The first type, type A, has a problem like this. The Earth number is known and the alien's hand is known. Find the alien number. So we know that we've got 10 planets that we can count. What would the 4-fingered alien write down? So you think about how many 4s are in 10, and then how many are left over. All right, there are 2 4s contained in our number 10, and there are 2 left over. So the alien would write down 2 or 22 because of this. Let's look at problem type B. The alien number is known and the number of fingers on the alien's hand is known. We're finding the Earth number. The alien has 6 fingers and wrote down 42. All right, so the alien number is 42. The alien has 6 fingers, and we're looking for the Earth number. So again, think about what each of the digits means in the number. What does the 4 mean? What does the 2 mean? And then make the conversion. The alien has 6 fingers, so we think of this as 4 groups of 6 with 2 left over. So that's 4 times 6 plus 2, which gives us 26. The last type of problem in this example is this. The Earth number is known and the alien number is known. Find how many fingers are on the alien's hand. Here we count 16 stars in the diagram. The alien wrote down 20. How many fingers does the alien have? Think about what the alien number represents. There are none left over because of the 0 there, and so we have 2 full groups. So we divide the 16 into 2 equal groups with none left over. Each group would contain 8 stars, so the alien has 8 fingers. I hope that these explanations have helped you understand the article a little better. Please practice working some examples of these types. Also, I want to encourage you to ask questions if you're confused or unsure if what you're doing is correct. So please contact me if you have any questions or concerns.